This Thor 4 Winds 28A has just hit our rentals lineup. Think you could see yourself in this? Well, let's check it out. This coach is built on the Ford E-Series chassis. It has a 7.3-liter V8 engine with 325 horsepower and 450 foot-pounds of torque. You'll find the large awning to be very conducive to patio time. Underneath, there's plenty of coverage for camping chairs for the whole family. Moving along, make note of the huge and easily accessible pass-through storage space located in the rear. And climbing the ladder will reveal the location of your rooftop solar panel. Nearby, find the rear backup camera that makes parking at the campsite a breeze. On the driver's side of the coach, you'll find the location of your hookups for water, power, and propane, but also the gas tank and generator, which can run on gas or propane. Coming inside the coach, one of the first things you'll see is the booth-style dinette, as well as a sofa, both of which can be converted into beds. Looking up, you'll find cabinet storage and an air conditioner overhead. Continuing to the front, you'll find yet another bed above the cockpit. It measures 52 inches by 96 inches, and there is a 32-inch TV on a swivel. The Ford chassis that this coach is built on provides a familiar, comfortable feel while driving, especially if this is your first time driving a motorhome. Next to the entry door, remember the location of your coach controls. Here you'll find things like your solar charge controller, switches for your lights and awning, and the battery disconnect. Across from this is your kitchen, where you'll find your sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven, a microwave, and a fridge. Progressing further into the back of the coach, we come to the split bathroom. And finally, we arrive at the master bedroom, which you'll notice has a generous amount of overhead storage. The bed measures 60 inches by 74 inches, and there's an empty nook for a TV located at the foot of the bed. That's it for today. But for more information, go to www.beckleysrvs.com/rentals to get more information, browse our rental selection, and book your next getaway today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We love hearing from you. Until next time, we'll see you at the campsites.